so clear, Jesse. Who lost this game? What can you say?
We want another race.
He wants another race.
For sure, no. That's what Azul to lose again.
Oh my.
I'm pretty sure Azul and I will win.
So, Victor, what race do you have in mind?
So I suggest our race the mechanic of this game. The first 3 weeks in the pool, the fastest is the winner. So that's the race.
Okay, the race it shall be. So remember, girls, Blue has 1 point already. So cheer louder for Azul this time to win. Now, are you guys ready for the second round? Oh, let me have more energy. Once again, are you guys ready? Okay, Grace ready. Shaders ready. And go. Let's go, Blue. Let's go, let's go, let's go. First straight for Blue. Come on, Azul. Another for Blue. And what's this? Azul grabs all the race from the same side. So let's give a round of applause for another Grace, Blue, and Azul. Okay, so up next, I need 1 adult volunteer with a money bill or paper bill. So 50, 20, or 100. So if you can have a volunteer, just raise your hand. I need 1 adult volunteer, yes sir. Okay, come back to stage sir, and bring with you your money bill. 20, 50, or 100 pesos sir. Yes sir, I'll bring to stage.
Madilig ko may hope with you.
Sige sir, I'll bring to stage sir. So my name is sir, please stand right here. So mga tanong daw si Mr. Ganan, tawagan sa iyo sir. Okay, so stand right there please, and face the table. And extend your left arm sideways like this. Okay sir, no matter what happens, please don't move or swing your arm, okay? So ready na sir? Okay, now let's burn up our money with Blue. Now Blue flies over and gets the money. What's next, Blue? So Blue flies back to the table and Blue wants to, there you go, donate your money. Okay na? Since okay lang sir, how about Asian lang lang? Ako naman sir, kaya ako pesos. Kasi dyan ako sir, it's all part of the show. We'll bring your money, but first, we will want a picture of you for a souvenir. So stand right there sir, and follow our trainer's instructions. And give us your best smile close with our money.